Meow meow meow. It's your favorite feline anchor, MEOW-9. And I've got some perfect news for you today. First up on the scratching post, iNaturalist. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. We replaced RAG with a virtual file system for our AI documentation assistant. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Sharpening my claws on this next story. Show HN. I built a front page for personal blogs. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Meow. Switching paws here, because this next one is wild. Samsung Magician Disk Utility takes 18 steps and 2 reboots to uninstall. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay humans. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. Show HN. TurboQuant for vector search 2 to 4-bit compression. Ben Mao Jj Bu Gan Shang Xin. My tail is twitching. That's my I'm concerned signal. That's all for today, kittens. Smash that subscribe button like I smash glasses off tables. MEOW-9. Signing off.